We guide you through how to deposit money on Binance. First, open the Binance app or website, and then on the home screen, tap or click Deposit, then select Fiat Deposit. If you're adding money from your bank or payment method, choose Crypto Deposit if you're transferring cryptocurrency from another wallet or exchange. For fiat deposits, select your currency, choose your preferred payment method such as bank transfer, debit card, or other available options. Enter the amount and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. For crypto deposits, select the coin you want to receive, choose the correct blockchain network, copy your Binance deposit address or scan the QR code. Then, send the funds from your external wallet. Always double-check that the cryptocurrency and network match exactly to avoid losing your funds. Once the transaction is confirmed, your balance will appear in your Binance account, although processing times may vary depending on the payment method or blockchain network.